What? Somebody wrote me something. Okay. Asma is saying you forgot. I'm a very big fan of you from South. Please reply to me. Today is my birthday. Please wish me. Hi, Asma. Thank you so much that you're my fan. I'm really happy and happy birthday to you. You know, guys, what happened? So, Ishan Khattar was live few days back, and I was just, I was doing nothing. I was just doing time pass, and then I saw that he was live, and then I went into his live, and I wrote, and he was listening to this song, okay, in the background, and I was like, okay, which song is that, Ishan Khattar? He replied. I wanted to screen record it like I did when I recorded Deepika Padukone saying hi, and so I wanted to record that, but I missed. I was so excited and happy that I was like, yay, I'm a big fan. I was so happy, my god. He actually replied, he's like, Anushka Sen is saying what song I'm listening to, and he went like that. It's so cute. Ah, my hand, yeah. It's been a lot. It's been. Fangirl moment, yeah, man. Just, but it was still Ishan Khattar. If imagine Ian Somerhalder was live and he took my name, I would have fainted only. Hello, Slayer Sain. Do you have fans from Myanmar also? It's incredible. Thank you so much. We go the same way when you reply. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, man. I really like the. Dad says hi to you guys. Even my mom. Can you say happy birthday, Pragya? Happy birthday, Pragya. Okay, do you want me to add? This is some new fan page. This is aesthetically Anushka. You in a hoodie with a cap and a zipper. A mood, right? Hi. Hi, how are you? Oh, wow, she's so cute. Oh, she's. Hi.
I need to breathe.
Take your moment. It's okay. Take your moment.
Mama, Mama.
Oh, she said Ethe aao. That's so cute.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm so shook. Oh my god.
Oh god. Hi. Please tell
Can
me
I
your
add?
name so
Can
that
I have a
I can take
screenshot?
your name. Sure, why not?
I actually wasn't ready.
What's
Oh
your
my
name?
god.
Can you please tell me your name?
What?
Please tell me your name.
I can't.
You can't? No problem. No problem.
My mom.
It's okay. No issues. I just saw your. It's aesthetically Anushka, so I just wanted to address you with something, but it's okay. You're new. You're a new fan page because I haven't seen it before.
Yeah, I'm new.
That's so nice. I'll surely check your account. Then I'll get to
Thank
know you
you.
better. Where are you from? Can you tell me that? Where are you from, at least?
Italy.
Hmm?
I'm from Italy.
You're from
Italy.
Italy. Oh wow, that's it. That's good. Oh, so you can't tell me your name. You can tell me your initial, like your first letter of your name. So then I can address you better.
S.
S. So we can call you S, Miss S. That's nice. Her name's a mystery. So we're gonna go with that.
I'm in shock. I don't know what to do.
Oh, it's okay. It's so sweet. I really loved your reaction. I was just watching quietly. I was like, observing the whole thing. It's so cute, yeah. How is your quarantine going on?
I love you.
Oh, thank you so much. Really nice talking to you, Miss S. Oh, aesthetically Anushka. My God. This your expression is so adorable. These things make my day. I mean, okay, we are back. Pritish Baduri. Anushka saying being a baby for straight 0. Purvi, I really love the way you message like this. Okay, Kushi, I'll add you. A lot of days I did. She, I'm fumbling. Hi, Kushi. What's up? How are you doing?
Can you see me?
Long time.
Can you see me?
What? I can't hear you.
Can you see me? At
Yeah,
least
I can see you. Crystal clear. I can see you, Kushi.
I can't see myself. Like,
It's okay. I can see you. Perfect.
wait, how are you? Like after so long, I miss you so
Yeah.
much.
I added you and I had to say that the recent 2 challenges that you did were really incredible. I was so happy.
The next one is Likey one. You will love it.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm so excited. Seriously.
By the way, can you show uncle and auntie? I miss them so much.
Oh,
Say
right
hi to
now
them.
they're a little busy. Next time probably. Yeah,
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Everything's going on real nice.
I can't take screenshot, man. I am black. Like the
Okay,
screen
wait.
is
I'll take
black.
a screenshot. I'll take a screen. I'll send it to you. Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Smile. Done. I'll send it to you.
Love you.
Take care.
You too.
It's so weird. Like why can't people see themselves? What is happening? Instagram, buddy, do something. The new heart feature. What is your views on that? Some people don't like it. I love it. Some people say that it's more than what emotion they want to show, but I really like the heart features. It's cute. What you trying to get in the screen? That's damn adorable. तारिक भाई कैसे हैं आप? Please add me. Somebody is saying. Okay, I'm adding new people. I'm getting to know people. It's nice. You deserve the world, all the happiness. Thank you, Purvi. Yeah. I really appreciate your love.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Take your time.
डिस्कनेक्ट कर लिया मुझे। चलो पे देखिए कैसे तुम कैसे अरे कैमरा नहीं ऊपर रहा। चलो पे वेट
Relax, आराम से. कोई बात
ये
नहीं.
अनुष्का।
हाय, कैसे हो
ओ
आप
माय
सिद्रा? आपका नाम सिद्रा है ना?
यस
कैसे हो आप
ओ माय
सिद्रा?
गॉड I can't just imagine, man.
Aw,
Oh my god,
thank you so much.
so much. Please, you added me.
How are you doing? कहाँ से हो आप? अरे why you crying? Oh my God, please don't cry. Oh, please don't cry.
Yeah, Anushka, I can't express you seriously.
Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm.
Can I take a screenshot?
Please take a screen. Firstly, calm down, okay? Smile. I really want you to smile, okay? Yeah. Now do
Wait.
nice smiling. Take a screenshot, okay?
Wait. Okay. Fine.
Aw.
Wait, I'm taking this. Wait.
Take.
Here's my sister.
Hi. How are you?
Anushka,
Hi. How are you doing?
you're looking so pretty in pink.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
My sister
Where
is
you
a big
guys
fan of
from?
yours.
Thank you. I feel that. But where are you guys from?
I've DM'd you so many times, but you haven't seen it.
I have so many DMs unread. I feel so bad. Seriously, I
Very
can't
Sindra.
find it. Only even in comments, it's really
And my
tough for
sister is a big fan of Sindra.
Thank you so much.
Very Sindra.
Sindra, wait. I try to. Sindra, Babu. I hope she comes. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Where are
Just
you guys
come
from,
on.
by the way? Where are you guys from?
We are from Delhi.
Sorry, where?
Delhi.
Delhi. That's amazing. Okay, nice. I keep coming to
Can you
Delhi
please
so many
check
times.
DM after this live?
What?
Can you check DM after this live?
I'll surely try to do that. I'll really try to do that.
Yeah, literally, I love you, Anushka.
Thank you, Sidra. It means a lot. Thank you. Thank
And
you.
my name matches your Sindra.
Wait, she's here. One sec. Sindra. Wait, let me walk up to her.
Oh, she's so cute. I literally love it.
Thank you.
Sindra.
She was sleeping. That's why her eyes are like that.
Wait, I want to take a screenshot with Sindra too.
Yeah, why not?
Can I take?
Yeah, why not? Sindra, show.
Thank you.
Yeah? Got it?
Anushka, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I can't thank you.
It's a pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Lots of love.
Thank you. Lots of love to you and your cute sister. And please take care. Lots of love. I'll also make a heart.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh man. I was only going to cry. My god. How sweet. This is my favorite cat. For some reason, I just really like this cat. What? Sainspedia? Wow. It's like Wikipedia Sainspedia. No one, literally no one understands it. I'm a savage. Sassy, bougie. Hi. Sainspedia. That's a very nice name. How did you come up with that?
Thank you so much for adding me.
No, कैसे हो आप?
बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much. I can't express you.
Oh,
Where to?
कहाँ से हो आप?
ग्वालियर.
Gwalior. Beautiful. Very nice. I have never been to Gwalior, but मैं आऊँगी जरूर. जब लॉकडाउन और ये सब ठीक हो जाएगा, of course.
How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Niharika.
Niharika. How old are you?
20.
20. Oh. How did you come up with that name? Sainspedia. That's really creative.
Thank you so much.
I'll surely check out your account. I have to see so many accounts that I haven't seen, but I'll surely check it out.
Can I take a screenshot?
Yes, why not?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Really nice talking to you, Niharika. You're really cute. Thank you. Lots of love.
Thank you.
Oh, how sweet. I'm really happy that Instagram is cooperating with me and I can add people. Like last time I couldn't add, and last time also I couldn't add. Oh, you know, guys, I can do this also with my. Yes! It's like if it's too cold, you can just do like this. Oh, it's like you know, like the series you. The new like feature is so cute. People end up with convos and like feature so yeah. Siddharth Nigam says girl karke 110 million guys. How are you, Siddharth? Champ, what's up? Guys, thank you so much for showering so much love. 112 million girl karke. So happy. Yeah. Thank you. From me, from Siddharth, from everyone. Sane addicted. Sane addicted. Okay, I'll just go live with sane addicted. Oh, Bella Ciao, Bella Ciao. Oh, Siddharth nailed it. Now, guys, everyone who has participated in that. I'm good, Anushka. I'm sleeping. Can't come live. No problem. Siddharth, it's okay. No issues. But gal karke, yes. Guys, do you know Siddharth has a special talent? He can laugh like Denver in Money Heist. See, he's writing also. Ah. I'm not even gonna try it. It's so bad. He does it really nicely, guys. इतना अच्छा हंसता है ना Siddharth, that Denver laugh. Real nice it is. Oh God. Imagine me and Siddharth had a conversation of 20 minutes only about Money Heist. That's how big fans we are of Money Heist. See, Money Heist people, we are big fans. Money Heist. So after this lockdown, Abhishek bhaiya, me and Sid might do a heist. We were talking like that. या तो हम heist करेंगे या तो हम एक series करेंगे, like as a joke of course. But yeah, how nice, a lot of fun. Oh my God. These voices. Would you like to speak Marathi? I forgot only. I knew थोड़ा सा मराठी, but थोड़ा याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे को. Khushi Kumar, here's my friend who has helped me so much, and we have studied together. Good time, na Khushi. I never expected कि boards की पढ़ाई में we'll have so much fun. What are you gonna rob our hearts? Oh my God, my hair is getting messed up. Don't mess up, bro. Stay. See Bengali. কেমন আছো? These voices. Hey Vrinda, hi Jema. Hey Vrinda, hi Jema. What's up? How's the quarantine days going? Really good, yeah. Really good. Oh damn, we died. Oh God. And the Broski's account, guys, you can check that out as well if you haven't already. But it's crazy. I mean, my best friends are crazy, and me as well, of course. Exam doge aap? Hanji, of course. Okay, let's see the question answer box. They're asking me your best friend. Depends. I have so many best friends there. I have Nidhi Kisha, I have Ipshita. They're my best friends. Do you want to see something cool? Me and Sindra that I haven't showed something. Which one should I show? See, this is me from yesterday. This was there, and look at this. This is what. Oh, look who's here! My God, Amay Pandya. What's up, Amay? How are you doing? So cute. Yeah, Keisha. Keisha. Why am I saying Keisha? Me and Sindra were having a lot of fun yesterday. And also I was talking to Keisha last night. Bella Ciao. Bella Ciao, just, it's a vibe. Never, just, it never gets boring, isn't it? Oh, how sweet, Sharanya. Farooq. Hi, Farooq. Hi, Daksh Patel. Hi, Amay. What's up? Are you?
Dude,
What are you wearing?
what is this?
Twinning?
What is this? Pink.
Yes.
What is this?
Oh, color coordination. Amay.
Yeah, bro.
Wow, man.
That's. I was playing a game and then I got this notification some time back. but I couldn't join. तो मैंने सोचा अभी देखूं कि अभी तक है कि नहीं. So I came here to see,
See?
and I was like, wow, pink. That's why I wrote wow like that.
Oh wow, this is happening for the first time. Sis.
Yeah, bro. First time. Yeah. Ouch.
Oh,
My phone fell off,
did you fall?
but I caught it. No, my phone fell, but I caught it. So now
Why
see.
did you say ouch? फोन गिरा तो फोन के लिए खुद ouch बोल
अरे
दिया.
बट पकड़ने के लिए I had to move myself, so I hit myself here. Too much explanation you want. Do you want to? You didn't send me that snap. Do you know something? I got the snap though, for your information.
What snap? That
The
snap?
one from yesterday.
How?
Yeah.
How?
That I won't tell.
You have to tell me, not कुछ भी ना ऐसे ही और सेम नो.
I will send it to you after the live.
हाँ ठीक है चलो ओके.
100%.
Yeah, we'll see.
What else? What were you doing? What was the agenda for the live? Just general chilling, or did you have some
Just
announcement?
general chilling live, you know, like I came live after a long time somehow.
Ah, apart from once when you came with someone who was expressive.
Yeah, Amay.
I'm not saying anything, so no one's gonna know who I'm talking about.
Amay, my God, yeah.
Yeah, I was seeing my insights yesterday, and I saw this one thing which said that 60% of the people that I follow you. No, not I follow. 60% of the people that follow me follow you,
Again.
which is 60%, 60% of the people, like human,
I understand.
that
Amay,
follow me
yeah, follow me.
also follow you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what
So,
I
you have
meant.
60, so in short, you can say 60% we have mutual fans. That's
No,
what you're saying. No.
from my side, your
your
60% fans. Yeah, your 60% fans is more than my entire Khandan combination.
You can't have 8 million people का खानदान. Amay.
No, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरे पूरे खानदान के इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स को ज्वाइन करो, फेसबुक फॉलोअर्स ऐड कर दो, ट्विटर फॉलोअर्स ऐड कर दो, कांटेक्ट नंबर ऐड कर दो, तब जाके भी नहीं होंगे 60%.
Oh,
60% of
see, guys, golden hour. Amay Pandya, me in the golden hour
golden
moment.
hour. Yeah, bro, I love this golden hour.
है ना?
When is your golden hour snap coming?
Huh?
No, yeah, never.
There is no golden hour here. It is in the morning, and I don't wake up. It comes
No,
only in
you
the
can
morning.
wait. You can stay up for 30 more minutes and you will see the golden hour because
Oh
you
yeah.
sleep.
How
Okay,
smart
guys.
is that?
Fun fact of those guys, to those guys who don't know, she sleeps 5 minutes before the sunrise so that she doesn't go in guilt. So that she slept on that day.
Amay, sis, you're lying. I sleep by
Rita?
3:30.
Both of us know you don't. Sunrise is
Seriously.
at 7 o'clock. When it's at 7 o'clock, you sleep at 6:45. When it's at 8:30, you sleep at 8. If it's
Guys,
at 6,
please,
you
to be
sleep at
very
5:30.
honest, this person right here is wearing pink, but he's lying. You are not supposed to lie
Guys,
wearing pink.
I'm
Pink never lies.
being very honest. This person is
I'll tell you.
Snapchat hashtag
I'll
one
tell
for me,
people
so
what
I
you are
can
doing.
tell that for a fact.
Guys, this person tells me कि मेरा sun logic है, मैं जल्दी सोता हूँ, जल्दी उठता हूँ, blah blah thing, and he sleeps by 2. खुद का ही
No,
checkmate कर देता
I
हूँ.
don't. No, that was one day.
2 days. Amay, don't
That
lie.
was-
Amay, stop
Oh
lying.
my god. You checkmated me that day. I was like, shit. I got given the earphones because my sister thinks that I'm too loud apparently. So she's like, "Rakh le."
Guys, did you hear?
But no, guys, I'm telling you, that is genuinely her sleep pattern.
See, this is what
Because-
happens when you lie. So guys, don't lie, okay? That's what happens when you lie, you fumble.
No, that is what happens when you try to save your friend. You know, so you have thoughts of whether or not you should say it. That's the point.
When did I sleep by 6:45?
How?
He only knows. I have no idea. Amay, stop.
Anushka,
that
not
you're talking
6:45,
about somebody else.
5:30.
You were talking
You
about
hit 5:30
somebody
every day.
else. Amay, stop.
If Snapchat had a last scene feature,
Achha?
if and it should be like your best friend can see when you slept. Then I would have exploited your case. See, why are you laughing now?
कुछ भी you're saying, कुछ भी.
No, no.
My
Arey,
God,
my
some
bad. You
people are
can
actually
sleep.
agreeing with you. That's the issue.
I-
He's lying
No.
to people. He's
See,
lying.
first, no, no, no.
No,
Guys,
Nama, you should
I
come
can.
live with Anushka. We'll get to know Anushka's secret. There's no secret. I have a lot of Amay's
Yeah.
secret. He does not have any of my
Ooh, ooh. Yeah, that's because you don't tell me stuff. That's not my fault.
because I don't have stuff to tell you about.
Do
Like,
you want me to get
secretive
started
stuff.
about the? Do you want me to get started about the 2 year thing?
Please,
Not
yes.
on live. Not on live.
Not on live. That is on video call.
Not on. Yeah, that's on video call. Our video call is pending, so this is
Yeah,
our
yeah.
video call now.
So Amay, this I can say. Amay has been. So Amay, what Amay does is he's like, कि अरे यार, you're so busy. हमें video call करना है, and this guy only for since 3 days is somewhere else. And he's like,
No, I
"Shit
call her
यार,
every day, she
नहीं
doesn't
हुआ,
answer.
Next time करते हैं, next time.
I call you every day. You don't answer. Let's keep it that way.
Amay, stop. मैं
Dude, I get so many DMs from your fans.
yeah, I'm
Yeah,
really
I
happy
sent
to
you
see
one.
Yeah.
See, one of your fans told us that are we best friends? And then I was like, are we? And then
That's
we
how we
became
started
Snapchat
talking.
best friends. Yeah, exactly. So I don't remember. Do you remember the name of that fan club?
Yeah, Anushka Sen, my bae, she was right here today. So then that's the reason
Anushka Sen, my bae, you were the reason why we started talking again.
again, like
Yeah. Again, in the sense,
God.
like in quarantine, we've
in
not
quarantine.
spoken.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
he's
And-
busy playing.
Yeah, she's very
and
busy.
Stuff
So,
like
you know.
that. Amay-
Sure. So after that, we started talking, and now we are Snapchat best friends,
Yeah.
which is an accomplishment.
See, and we're wearing pink also.
Pink for days. Anyway,
God, yeah.
you should be adding more people. Are you adding people in general?
Yeah.
Like fans?
Today I added.
Right
I
now?
could. Fortunately, I could add people. Or
Wow.
else what happens is
Because you
sometimes
had network
Instagram-
issue.
No,
Yeah,
yeah,
you.
sometimes it just does
No,
not
not
work
network. I think Instagram just says that you can't add this person, this, that.
out. It comes unable to join sometimes.
Yeah.
I don't know why. But anyway.
But how did you share that? How did you share like some image or whatever?
That cool.
Today?
That cool. I'm
That's a
saying,
new
that's
feature.
cool.
That cool. That's a new feature, no?
Yeah, it's a feature. वो जो filter वाला option आता है उसके बाजू में ही है. It is a box where you can see a picture.
ये हमेशा से था कि अब आया है?
मेरे को नहीं मालूम. अभी ध्यान
I
दिया
was
मैंने.
today years old when I realized that.
Same.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Nice,
yeah.
nice. You add a few people now. I'm going to
Yeah.
see the live though, so
Yeah,
that you know I see what you talk to people about, and then I can take your case.
Yeah. And then the video call I'll answer you. I'll answer you 6:45.
Okay.
See you.
No. We'll talk. Don't worry.
Yeah. Sure. Take care.
Chalo. Bye. See you.
God, yeah. Amay is I know him since 8 years now. It's the same. Anushka, I discovered, no guys, I don't sleep by 6:45. He's saying, see, kuch bhi is saying, ask my parents. I sleep by 3:30, max to max 4. Max. Like that day, sometimes I've slept by 4. So see, this feature is cool, no man. This, yes, see, I see that Anushkans are on my side. No, man, they're on my side. No. See, guys, I was seeing this. I was watching this. It's repeating because it's a small snap. Ha! I'll be back for a minute, quick. What? What do you want to say now? After ages, oh my god, I miss you guys so much. है ना? अम्मा को बोलो, मेरे को नहीं.
Guys,
What do you want to
guys.
say?
Just wanted to make it clear that she sleeps by 3 only. I was just messing with you guys.
Thank
And
you.
this is not
Amal.
because I'm trying to cover something or I don't want her to be in bad light. This is me genuinely saying that she sleeps at 3 only. So don't go on her now. Otherwise she'll come at me. That's the problem. You can go at her, but if she doesn't come at me, then it's fine.
Amay, you know
No,
me.
I didn't say anything. I'm just saying you sleep at 6 in the evening. You only got it wrong. Chalo, carry on. I just wanted to clarify this point.
Thank you,
And they're
Amay.
on my side. I can read a few people saying that. So
Achha.
don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. It's fine. Happens to the best of us. Bye. But no, guys. 3 o'clock. That's her deadline. At least that's what she tells me. Now I don't know what happens after that. Bye bye.
Bye, Amay. I'll talk to you. This is Amay Pandya for you guys. God, today's live was fun, yeah. It's so good live. Such a nice live, man. I had a lot of fun, yeah. Miss you, Amay. Please oftenly come. We love you guys together. Sure. Angelic Anushka is laughing. Jess is saying hi. Everyone's laughing. That's so nice. Oh my god. See, Amay, that's nice. At least Amay made you guys laugh. Oh god. Love your friendship. है ना? See, Amay. Anushka, make how well? Yeah, Kushi. I would. Let's see. We need a hair flip. How do I do a hair flip? Shit. Oh god. Okay, I can do that. Like this. No, it's not happening. It's only happening this much. Oh my god. Keisha is here. Keisha, bro, where are you, man? I can't see you, buddy. It's a good morning, by the way, guys. She's gonna kill me now. Guys, 3 a.m., I swear. Oh no, yeah. Super funny is. Oh, do with hands, yeah. Oh! Okay. Eh. Oh god. I hope you join in group Anushkins Indonesia. I'll surely join. Don't matter when Anushka say 3 a.m. it is. That's where I have been asked to say. I did not. Oh god, yaar. Amen. Proud stan Anushka. Totally. God. But okay, it's 6:30, so I'll take your leave. But oh god. Okay, so it was really fun being live with you guys, and I'm so grateful that I could add some new people. And thank you for all your love and all your edits. And I've been reading your paragraphs and stuff, and it actually makes me really really happy. So take care of yourselves. Please don't go out. Please please don't order outside food. Stay at home, eat home ka khana, and be in touch with your friends. खबर लेते रहो उनका, and just like that. Hair OP always, and keep laughing like you were. So take care and bye bye. Ciao, Bella, ciao, whatever, and I'll see you guys soon.